SoFi. I'm seeing so much news on SoFi stock. It's ridiculous. I'm seeing news say it's good. I'm saying articles say it's bad. And by the way, if in your analysis, if you're doing research and you come across an analyst that shows you a candlestick chart, just immediately discount anything they say after that, okay? It's been proven time and time again by academic studies that the more you trade, the more you lose, and candlestick charts are inherently short term, so just don't even get into that. Go for longer term trades. It's been proven to be much, much better. Anyways, analysts are pretty bullish on it. They're looking at 891 for their 1 year estimate, which is 29% higher than where it trades today. But for my price projection, SoFi is expected to have a TTM EPS of 45 cents a share by December 2026. Multiplied by the average tech sector PE of 33 gives us a share price of $14.85, which is 116% higher than where it trades today. So, I mean, that's a good thing because the average PE for tech companies at 33 is much, much lower than the average AI company right now. I mean, AI companies, oh my, they're going to 50, even 100 right now for some of them. It's just ridiculous. And assuming the AI hype is going to stay around for 2026, and I think that's a pretty safe bet, then this is a very conservative projection, to be honest. The PE could be way higher than 33 at that time. Who's to say? But, you know, I think I like to make conservative estimates. I think 33 is pretty fair. And not to mention, SoFi members are growing. Their income is looking good on a quarterly basis. Their debt to equity is 0.49, which is perfect. Their price to sales is 2.99, which is a little high. Their revenue EPS looks really good. The price to sales for tech companies right now is 10.65 actually. So even though SoFi's is a little high at 2.99 compared to the tech sector, I mean, the tech sector is 256% higher than SoFi's right now. So that's really, really good from a valuation standpoint. And yeah, like I said, other AI companies are going to be valued even higher. C3 AI has a price of sales of 12, SoundHound is 31, Palantir 21. Again, compared to SoFi's at 2.99, really, really small when you compare it to these AI companies. And I mean, really, the only AI company I've been able to find with another small price of sales ratio is Big Bear AI. But they have their own problems. I mean, their debt to equity is 191%. And that's a huge, huge red flag. And I don't see any of those in SoFi. And so, you know, you're going to see people complain because the stock's been underperforming. And it seems to be for no good reason, because if you look at their earnings, they have been smashing their earnings calls. And so if we can expect this trend to continue in the future, you know, we're going to see some really, really big movement out of this stock, I bet. And you know, you'll see people complain because it's been underperforming, but I think this is a good time to get in. You know, just because the stock price hasn't been going up, it doesn't mean anything. You know, if the markets were rational, GameStop wouldn't exist. Okay, let's just say that. So, anyways, SoFi stock, I'm pretty bullish. Just drop a like, leave a comment. Don't listen to anybody with a candlestick chart. And I will see you next video.